Newly installed Gilas Pilipinas head coach Tim Cone claimed that big man Justin Baltazar has shown zero interest to play for the national team. This despite them trying to get the 6'9" power forward forever. According to Cone, quote, "We have tried to get Balti forever. He never is available. We tried to get him for the World Cup. We tried to really hard to get him for the World Cup, yet he has shown zero interest," end quote. The Philippine team has been trying to acquire the former LaSalle Green Archer for the national team, with Cone saying that Baltazar is one of the guys that we really desire, but unfortunately, he is just not available. Baltazar, who is currently playing for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns in the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, has also gave his reply. According to Baltazar, quote, "Sobra po akong nasasaktan kasi ako na nga po hindi na-invite kahit gustong-gusto ko, tapos ngayon ako pa po ang binabash ng tao dahil akalang ng lahat ayaw ko daw. Available naman po ako for the World Cup kaso wala naman pong tawag. Paano po ako di magiging available nag-break nga po ang MPBL para sa World Cup? Kahit po management ng MPBL, alam kasama ko sa Gilas. Tapos ang haba ng break ng MPBL, sir, paano sasabihin na di ako available?" End quote. Baltazar also said the only time he wasn't available for Gilas was during the FIBA World Cup qualifiers and in the FIBA Asia Cup last June 2022 when he was working on the Japanese visa of his family. According to Baltazar, quote, "That time po kasi nag-ayos ako ng visa for Japan kasi napahamak nga po ako sa Korean visa ko. Ayaw ko na maulit yun sa Japan that time. If lalaro ako sa Gilas noon, baka po ma-technical naman ako sa Japanese embassy. Kahit naman po sino, ganun ang obligasyon, pinaprioritize. That time kasi sabi ko, kompleto pa naman players, pinayagan naman po ako." So for his part, Baltazar's discoverer clearly wasn't happy reading the statements of Coach Tim Cone. According to Governor Pineda, quote, "Ang unfair naman nun para sa bata. Ayaw ko sana magsalita sa issue kaso kawawa naman yung image ng bata. Siya ngayon ang lumalabas na masama." Pineda also insisted that he was even one of the vocal team owners who asked the MPBL to take a break to give way to the World Cup. Pineda also added, quote, "Huwag nilang sabihin na ayaw ni Balti maglaro sa Gilas kahit kailan, dahil ako pa mismo ang isa sa mga unang team owners na nagsuggest sa MPBL na mag-break para sa World Cup. Kasi that time, akala ko kukunin nila si Balti. Walang larong MPBL ilang linggo paulit na naka-break ang MPBL." End quote. Pineda also challenged Coach Tim Cone to reveal who really tried to contact them for Balti services and who turned down the Gilas offer. According to Pineda, ang punto ko dito, yung image ni Balti ang gusto kong baguhin nila kasi kahit ano mangyari, hindi sila nag-reach out either kay Balti or sa akin for Balti to play for Gilas, as in zero. Kaya wag nilang sabihin na walang interest yung bata. May interest ang bata. Paano naman masasabi ni Coach Tim na ayaw ni Balti lumaro sa Gilas? Hindi naman siya ang coach ng World Cup last time. Ngayon lang naman siya naging coach ng Gilas. Saka sino ba ang pumontak sa amin at sino ba ang nakausap nila? Kasi as far as I'm concerned, walang tumatawag sa akin o kay Balti, at sakaling gusto talaga nila yung bata, ang dali-daling hanapin ni Justin dahil nandito lang yung bata sa akin. Andito lang kami sa Pampanga. Ang daming top persons ng Gilas na pwedeng tumawag sa amin, pero again, walang nag-reach out sa amin. Tapos ngayon, babalik na rin nila kami. End quote. So that is it, no, for the Justin Baltazar Tim Cone issue. Our main sources for this news would be the article from Philstar by Ralph Edwin Villanueva, and also from spin.ph written by Sir Snowbad.